I know Dayton's just tired, but when his dad starts acting like that too at the same time, I'm like, okay. So we're heading north on Lower Honoapiilani Road.
Well, and I didn't invite Andrew to go with us because I just figured he would not want to go.
He would not want to go
caching or anything.
He wants to go sleep with his kid.
And there's nothing wrong with that.
That's fine. Yeah, that's why I was like, fine, have fun. I'm gonna go drink mimosas by the pool. But this is way more fun. I almost kind of have that moment of panic when I'm like,
go out. I mean, we weren't planning on going out even for real long because I thought, hello.
oh yeah. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't Andrew.
Let's see if I can find it for you.
It's okay.
Boss frog. There are boss frogs all over the place,
Yes.
aren't there?
That's where we'll get Mom's life jacket.
And here's the little farmer's market and sort of organic food store.
Yeah. Let's make sure it wasn't Andrew. Yep, it was.
Well, and I was so frustrated because I was trying to talk to you and my phone drops the call.
It's Sprint. It's really bad here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. She's my age. Yeah, we're like the same age. Yeah. Yeah, it's her. She said she was going to drop off my check. Yeah. Okay, well, we're going geocaching. Sorry for little guy being a monster. He's just tired. He's overly tired. I know. I heard it. And I'm sorry, but I laughed. You just carry him. Even louder. I know. Yeah.
Can we get him anything while we're out?
Yeah. Did he go to sleep? Oh, okay. 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 We'll try to get him in and then just call me when you guys are up. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, good luck with nap time and call me or text me if you need anything. We're out geocaching. Bye. He screamed like that the whole way home.
Oh.
And then the second he got in the bedroom, he goes, oh, my box fan. Or my fan. He's into his routine.
Well, in fact, yeah, that's why I was asking, oh, will he be okay just laying down here like that?
Yeah, he would have been if I had done it 2 hours sooner.
Look at the waves.
Right, like if I had done it 2 hours ago, he would have gone down just fine.
Oh, those are really nice waves.
But a lot of kids get very into routine.
Pohaku Park.
Especially to take them on vacation and have it somewhere strange, and it's just hard.
Yeah, he's just overstimulated. He's tired.
But especially at this age.
But the second he screamed at the whole cry ride home into the house, and the second Andrew walked in the room and turned on the fan, he was like, "Oh, my fan!" And now they're laying down.
Yes, and I remember your old place was right up here.
Yeah, it's up here past the little turn off here. If you need more air back there, Mom.
Oh, no, I'm fine.
Okay. This is why I brought Pappy last night. We came and hit the Whaler store, and then we got our Chinese.
And what's that tuna dish that they make all over the place here? Poke?
Poke? Poke is just raw fish. It doesn't even have to necessarily be tuna. Like it's just a raw meal.
But like it's like raw fish and sesame.
Yeah, and then whatever else they kind of add to it. You can either get it like with avocado.
It looked good.
Yeah, and that has the best up here.
Really?
Yeah. So once you get out of Lahaina, that has the best. Here's my old plate.
Yeah.
I clean a lot of these units. This next complex.
China boat is right down here.
Right here.
Right there.
And then these are my big accounts right here. These Kahana outriggers. They're 3 bedrooms. I do those and this next one, Kahana Village.
Kahana Village Vacation Rentals.
This fat finger really hurts. Love this spot when the water's nice.
Isn't there a restaurant right up here?
That's further down. And yes, we've been there. The one that I think we got poo-poos there one time. Or after.
I remember eating there.
Yeah.
And I recall you being present.
Oh, this is funny.
What?
They must have opened my suitcase and tried my batteries.
Tried your batteries?
Because, yeah, the batteries are...
Or is it up off the office road?
It's near the highway.
Okay.
Oh, but it shows parking down, if you make a left on Office Road.
Yeah.
Then
From the highway, you mean?
Yeah, from the highway, from 30.
Uh-huh.
If you go down on Office Road, there's a taverna.
Yeah.
If you park down there, that's
Yeah.
where they're saying to park.
Right, but how far about hike is it? Because that's that one really... Remember that trail you thought you were going to die on? That's
Oh,
that.
it's that trail?
Yeah.
Well, it's showing it near the highway.
Right, so what I'm saying, you still have to go up that giant hill, but I can pull up on the side of the road on the highway and you can get to it from there a lot easier. Is it on the left side of the highway or the right side of the highway?
The left.
Okay.
So is that too long of a hike?
Does it say go through the Kapalua trails or does it say walk up the sidewalk?
Hold on. It's 1.5, which means this trail winds itself behind the putting and driving range of the golf course.
Okay.
It used to be the old course, and if you leave the asphalt path, you will find thousands of old golf balls littering the area.
Yes.
The cache is just before the tunnel that
Okay.
goes under
The highway.
the highway, not far from the parking lot. Lolo has agreed to keep a watchful eye on it to make sure it's in good shape.
Okay. It is a pretty steep hill going down, but very close once you get down. Is that something you'd rather do just us, Mom? Or is Pappy?
Probably.
It's really steep.
Okay, then you and I can do that.
Okay. Unless there's just no other good way to get to that spot.
Yeah, no, I get that.
They're just really
Just-
it's not a park and grab, you know.
Yeah, no, I get that.
Can you get the earth cache at Dragon's Tooth? Is there one at the bottom of the hill closer to the ocean, or did you already have that one?
No, I don't have any earth caches here.
Does it list one there?
Well, my app is just running and running. I can't. Network failure. Hold on.
Well, we'll go up to the parking lot right by there, and then
Oh.
that'll let us know.
Yeah. Okay, hold on.
So we must be in Napili by now.
Yes, we're in Napili now.
And we were in Kahana.
Yeah, it just hits Napili. We just hit Napili. Then.
Okay. There's a cache that's called Lava Point Walk.
Yep. Okay.
It's way out on the point.
Yep. Okay.
Then there's an earth cache.
That's all right there, right?
That's, well, out on the other point. That's at Saphira's Teeth.
Yep. How long ago has that been found? I haven't found that one.
When it's Saphira's Teeth, I already have most of the information. We need to take a picture of ourselves with the teeth
Okay.
in the background.
Okay, so it's an earth.
It's an earth cache.
Okay. That's actually a pretty cool walk, so let's do that. And John will be able to really see the
Then-
waves.
Was it Sea
Yeah.
House at where we ate?
Yes.
that's it unless you go all the way up
Yeah, no.
further.
No, and that's a good little walk. So we'll go do those. Honokowai, yeah.
Bay. And then there's another earth cache up there,
Yeah.
and then
it keeps going around towards the olivine pools.
Yeah.
Or blowhole.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And that resort with the row of trees.
Yes.
Which one is that?
It's right here, actually.
I
We can
remember.
take that road home.
And what is this resort?
This is all like. This is called Kapalua. So we're in Kapalua now. And
Yeah,
it's a
and
bunch of different high end resorts like the Ritz-Carlton, the Montage.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is
We're in
where all the
Kappa-
stars stay.
Kapalua now.
Like Britney Spears. I mean, all the stars stay up here. We're in Wailea.
Because I remember Wailea. Down by Kihei.
Mm-hmm. Past Kihei.
And so this is still Lower Honoapiilani.
Yep. It stays it until the road up here where it meets the highway.
And that's Office Road.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm surprised they don't have more caches.
They used to, but nobody was maintaining them.
I wonder if that one at that Kapalua cache is still here. Because it was like in a parking lot. I was going to say, John could get that. Recent logs. Yeah, somebody found it today.
Where is it? Up the hill?
No, if you go on